In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the background color in Notion. Start by opening Notion and going to the page or database where you want to make the change. This works when you want to highlight specific text or a content block so it stands out more clearly on the page. Next, click on the text or block you want to edit. It's important to select the exact content first because Notion applies the background color only to the item you've chosen, not automatically to the entire page. Once the text is selected, look for the three-dot menu that appears near the block or formatting options and click it. This menu gives you access to additional settings for that text or block. From there, click Color. In some versions of Notion, you may need to scroll a little to see the full list of color options. The color menu includes both text colors and background colors, so make sure you're looking at the background section. Now choose the background color you want to use. As soon as you click a color, you should see the highlight applied right away. If nothing changes, double-check that the correct text or block was selected before opening the menu. If you want to try a different color, just reopen the same color menu and select another one. Notion updates it instantly, so it's easy to preview different options until you find the one that looks right. And that's how you change the background color in Notion. Thanks for watching.